Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Wednesday, September the 26th, 2012. We're going to be looking at Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated, ticker symbol is GS. Let me get out the old tools here. Okay, here's the ticker symbol right there. There's a couple things I want to point out here. Number one, of course, would be the bullish cross there of the moving averages showing the uptrend in effect there whenever the 50-day crosses above, this red line here crosses above the green line, the 200-day moving average is a bullish indication. The market trend is clearly defined as up, and we know that from other reasons as well. You can see that the higher highs and higher lows of the chart, you can just clearly see we're just moving to the upside here. Also, I want to point out that this resistance point here, and then you pull back down, hit resistance again, down, resistance again. In this case, you can see that we are finding resistance and bouncing off of it, but you'll notice that it's sloping up, the resistance line is. What you can do with that is take your little high point there and draw yourself a little trend line, and you will find when you do that, using the closes there, you are actually, once you broke above that resistance point like you did here, that resistance becomes support. So the fact that you're starting to get down to support is where you should start looking for that buy opportunity. It's also why I'm starting to see right here the little hammer candlestick formation indicating buy signal as well. And then also here, getting down on the ultimate oscillator down near the 30 line, that's where you find extremely oversold conditions, and that's another reason to be watching this for a possible move higher. I've seen that point before, okay, all right. And in this particular case, unlike this one here, you are clearly in an unarguable uptrend here, so you definitely want to be looking to trade with the trend and to buy this guy on the reversal. So that could come as early as tomorrow. I could actually mark this chart with indicating that if the following day gave me a higher high than today, today's high was 113.64. If it was 113.65, somebody could buy it with a stop set off today's low, 1 cent below today's low, like that. That's one way of doing that. So, or at least put it on your watch list for something you want to pay attention to. Once this market finds its bottom and we start moving higher, this would be a good trade. You're going to be testing this previous high of the 122 area. So buying at 113, looking for a move to the upside there, would make a lot of sense to me, but I would want to time it with the overall market, so it's important to know. Okay, if you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. God bless, take care, see you in the market analysis video coming right up. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.